What is the best portable power station this year? How to choose the best portable power station for you? Well, that is a tough question. We need to take into account the voltage, battery capacity, technical performance, safety, and many more features. For example, you need more output to power more devices at once, or maybe a specific device needs higher voltages. I will show you 6 best portable power stations so that you can have a better option before buying them.
Small in size, large in power. The Batid Power Station is a transportable device capable of 712.25 watt-hours of off-grid capacity inside a light, tiny 13.2-pound box. Multiple ports to support an endless combination of power requirements. Equipped with advanced MPPT, which ensures a 30% faster solar recharge. Takes only 3.3 hours to recharge 80% through 120 watt AC and 60 watt USB PD simultaneously. That's emergency power in any situation to prepare you for the unexpected. Because we are Batid, big power in a small package.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts.